Welcome, this is SQE1 Preparation, Criminal Practice, an overview of what happens at the police station by Street Lawyer, helping you to pass first time. In the FLK, Functioning Legal Knowledge 2, Criminal Law and Practice, SQE students are expected to have functioning legal knowledge about advising clients, including vulnerable clients, about the procedure and processes at the police station. So question, what key knowledge is covered in this class? Most people, including law students, do not know what happens at the police station as a suspect, thankfully. Therefore, before we explore the details of what happens at the police station in future classes, let me provide a general overview of one of the most crucial stages in the criminal justice system. That is what takes place at the police station, and to outline the different police officers the suspects will or may encounter at the police station. So as an SQE1 exam tip, SBAQs may involve you knowing the order of what happens at the police station according to a particular police officer's role, e.g. the custody officer. Take a look at this test your knowledge question. Tony, a 15-year-old, is arrested for fraud by false representation and brought before the custody officer. Put the steps the custody officer takes in the correct order. Pause the video, read the steps, try to answer the question, and at the end of this class, check whether your answer is correct. Now look at this slide. This is an overall view of what takes place at the police station, and we're going to be focusing on suspects arrested and taken to the police station, as well as volunteers who attend the police station as suspects. We're also going to be looking at the booking in process of a suspect by the custody officer and what the role of the custody officer is. We're also going to be focusing on the officer in the case and the investigation stage. The person who is the officer provides the defence solicitor with police disclosure, conducts the police interview, and reports to the custody officer what the suspect did or did not say. We're also going to be looking specifically about the police interview and how it should be conducted, and about the ID procedure and how that should be conducted. We're going to be looking at the custody officer and about this concept called sufficient evidence to charge, and what happens if there isn't sufficient evidence to charge a suspect. And we're going to be looking at the alternatives to charge and what happens if and when a suspect is charged. So, who are the three types of suspects at the police station? A suspect might be attending the police station as a suspect, arrested and then taken to the police station. Attending as a volunteer who may or may not be later arrested while at the police station, or following a street bail to the police station. A person may also be attending as a witness to assist the police with police investigations. During the criminal prep course, we're really only focusing on those who are arrested and taken to the police station and those attending as a volunteer. Question, what will future classes cover in the police station stage of the criminal practice course? The duties and role of the custody officer to open and maintain a custody record, the power to authorise detention, to charge a suspect, the power of inspectors to delay a suspect's right to have someone informed of their arrest, to carry out reviews of a suspect's detention known as review inspectors, the overall conduct of ID procedures known as ID inspectors, the power of superintendents to delay a suspect's right to legal advice and extend a suspect's detention beyond 24 hours to 36 hours, the duty or lack of duty of an interviewing officer to provide police disclosure to the defence solicitor, the four types of ID procedures and when an ID procedure must be held or may be useful to hold, the proper and improper conduct of a police interview under caution, the role of the defence solicitor in advising the suspect whether to exercise their right to remain silent, and the possible consequences of an adverse inference being drawn from such a silence, the defence solicitor's role in a police interview and the defence solicitor's conduct issues and when they must withdraw from acting. There's a lot to get through, but remember that test your knowledge question at the beginning of class? Well, here's the answer. Pause the video, Check your answer is correct according to this slide. And finally, remember, watch all the videos in the SQE Prep Criminal Practice series. Understand the functioning legal knowledge being examined by reading the SRA website for yourself. Revise from a good SQE book, attend and participate in class, prepare Q&A flashcards, practice as many SBAQs as possible, subscribe to Community Legal Education on YouTube, and put your notification on so you don't miss out on more SQE Prep videos. Hope you found this class useful. See you in the next class, and thank you for watching.